Taho!
He's
Taho.
sailing taho.
Taho! Hello everyone!
Hello guys!
Welcome to another video.
Today I will show you this palm tree that I bought for Mark last year for his birthday. Now it's already 1 year and I think it needs to plant on the soil because it gives already a small baby. So that means they are happy now. So
we are going to show you the work to dig a hole and then to plant the palm tree.
It's
Okay?
his work
Yes.
to make a hole.
I will try my best. I'm not really professional. Huh? Okay? Let's start?
Let's start!
So we started to dig the hole. We have to make a big hole because the base of the palm trees is quite big. Tikay, what can you say? What can you say to the million of people who are watching you?
Hello guys! Thank you very much for watching. But we are not yet finished, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Ah. Yeah.
I know, but yeah, the hole is already big, but not big enough.
Not yet.
Okay, let's continue.
More centimeters.
So what do you think, Tikay? It's okay?
I think it's enough.
It's big enough?
Yeah. We can try. We can
Yeah.
pull up this one.
Yes.
And again, it's too small.
Au bas.
Ouais.
Peut-être que tu mets du terreau en dessous ou un celui-là. We are going to add a little bit soil at the bottom because it's a little bit too down. So,
Put a little bit more.
more up.
Parce qu'après la pêche, ça passe.
Ouais.
Se positionne comme ça ou...
Je sais pas, tu le positionnes comme tu veux, de l'autre côté ou qu'est-ce qui est le plus joli?
Oui, comme ça. Comme ça.
Ouais. Ok.
Je me donne le terreau.
So the palm tree is now in his good position, and we are going to add some soil, more soil around.
sure siya not sa ito.
Ouais. Taho!
Someone is coming.
Taho!
He's
Taho.
selling taho.
Taho! Do you want some taho?
Crazy man. Strong muscles. Hurry up.
That's nice, Tikay.
Yeah, I like gardening.
I hope it will survive, because it's my gift from last year.
I hope it will not catch cold for the next winter.
No, we have to protect during the winter. We have to put some like a cover. Yeah.
You can put a heater on the top. Yeah.
Wow, it's nice. Nice palm tree.
Yeah.
Palm tree. I like it.
Maybe tomorrow I need to buy some small,
Stone.
small white
Ah,
stone.
the white stone
The
to
white stone for the
put
decoration.
to put around for the decoration. Yeah, yeah, it will be nice.
So
Yeah.
I think it's time for coffee.
Do you cut it?
Yeah, because it's old.
Ah, okay. Look at my palm tree. It's beautiful.